I'm Dr. Kailash Mantri. I am a life coach and a mental health consultant. For the last 25 years, we have been researching on more than 50 mental illnesses which we have been successful in curing. And all these mental illnesses are where for the last 100 years medical science or doctors have not been able to find any solution for it. We have a Hindi channel also, and shortly we will have more than 100 languages which will be talking on these mental illnesses. In next 1 year, we are setting up a 1,000-bed mental hospital in which we will be curing more than 100 diseases. We have also set up a life coach training institute wherein we are planning to train more than 1 lakh people to become a life coach and eradicate mental illness from the world. In next 10 years, we have a vision of setting up 50,000 bed mental hospital. It will be a world-class hospital with ultra-modern facilities. Your suggestions are welcome. Today we'll be talking on bipolar disorder. It is also known as maniac depression. Bipolar disorder basically means that sometimes the person is depressed and sometimes the person is euphoric, and there are cycles. If the euphoric cycle is of 4 weeks, then the depression cycle is of 8 weeks. Bipolar is basically mental illness and it is now 100% curable. In the last 1 year, we have seen more than 100 patients, and some of the patients we have treated for a month also, and our confidence has increased that this disease is 100% curable, and there is no role of medicines in this treatment. Sometimes, and the role of medicine is only to make the person sleep, to make his nerves weak so that his aggression can be under control, and medicines for some time is able to control the aggression of the patient. There are more than 50 reasons why the person becomes bipolar, and there are more than 50 positive things which are missing in the patient. We have developed a very transparent test and we have named it as mind mapping test. The test is so transparent, there are more than 400 questions and the test can be completed in 15 minutes. And the patient himself gives this test, and this test is also given to the parents of the patient. Within 15 minutes, the parents and the patients realize the root cause of this disease, of this mental illness. This mental illness comes with the partnership of parents. That means parents are also equally responsible for this mental illness, and thus initial treatment is of the parents and the patients, minimum for 5 days and maximum 10 days. Now let's understand the symptoms of bipolar. If the bipolar is in a euphoric stage, that means he is very aggressive, very violent, destructive, argumentative, sleep gets reduced, and basically a restless person. All the time blaming, complaining, unrealistic expectations from the parents, lack of focus, lack of concentration, and the basically person feels I am hopeless, there is no future, and he is suicidal. Sometimes he eats too much, sometimes he eats less. His whole attention is to get attention from the parents, and now he can make the parents unhappy. This disease starts between the age of 16 and 30, and it keeps on aggravating, it keeps on increasing. Now the first choice the parents have got is to take the child to a psychiatrist, and the psychiatrist, once he listens to the history, prescribes medicine for making the person sleep and making his nerves weak. The person has got a racing thoughts, that means the thoughts are very fast, and he wants to adventure many things. He is very whimsical, and whatever thoughts comes he want to implement it immediately. Such persons want to ride motorcycle very fast, ride cars very fast. Sometimes they want to climb the pole also. They want to adventure in the night also. And basically the anxiety of the parents are increasing. He speaks rapidly and he is mentally disturbed. It's a mental illness. He is very optimistic when he is in a euphoric stage, and he talks big, thinks big, and talks or illogical things, irrelevant things. He is very energetic, and the sleep also reduces drastically. His decisions are very poor, his communication is very bad, and he very often uses filthy languages. He quarrels with the parents, fights with them, sometimes physical also, and the whole family is disturbed when he is in the euphoric stage. Now let's understand the root cause. The root cause are more than 50. We'll discuss some right now. Family conflict, domestic violence, alcoholic father, aggressive mother, anxieties in the parents, mother not happy, father not giving time, failures, rejections, tension, stress, fear, sadness, anger, and a hopelessness in life. Such students don't study, they are failures in exams, they don't have girlfriend or boyfriend, they feel lonely, they think a lot, they got basically negative approach, and they are all the time blaming, complaining with parents or elder siblings. They are basically not happy in life. Their memories, current memories are bad, but they remember all the bad things which has happened in their life. They got past bad memories to such an extent that they don't want to deal with their parents, talk with their parents respectfully. They are doubting in nature and are not satisfied with whatever they get. In a maniac phase, they want to keep themselves busy either by talking or by walking and doing something or the other, but not doing any productive work and not having good relations with the family members. They are basically disturbed in their mind and they create disturbance in the whole family. It is difficult for the parents to understand them, to deal with them, and the same complaint they keep on making for years. They are so optimistic, so overconfident that they dream of becoming the prime ministers, businessmen, reaching the top in their countries, in their sports activities and other things. They are basically suicidal, and that's why they don't have any ambitions. They don't have dreams, they are not interested in working, they don't have friends, and their life is at a mess. They are always in tension, stress and a constant worry. They have no future, they don't enjoy company with people, they don't have any social contacts or friends. They have a feeling of hopelessness and despair and expect too much from the parents. They are all the time aggressive, violent, and anger and rage is very often seen in them. They don't trust their parents, they don't trust in fact anybody, and their thoughts are also so illogical, so inappropriate that nobody feels like talking to them. They do many adventures in finance and they are purchase maniac. Whatever money they have, whatever money they can grab, they want to spend it immediately. They are always tempted for drugs, for alcohol, for smoking. Basically, they feel they are neglected, they are a neglected child, they did not got sufficient love from the parents, so they do many things to get attention of their parents. Sometimes they avoid eating so that mothers keeps after them that please eat, and they are attention seekers. They are always irritated if anybody has got any contrary opinion against them. They are aggressive in their communications. Basically, they are suffering in life, they are frustrated and have no future, no hopes. They also feel helpless. Now let's talk what are the present treatments given to them. There is no treatment given to them for bipolar disorder, and that's why this mental illness keeps on increasing. And whatever medicines are given to them, if you see the side effects which they normally don't share, but the side effects are more complicated. The first side effect is if it is a male, he gets sexual impotency. If it is female, after 5 years of medicine, she cannot bear a child, she will have miscarriages. Their marriage life is a failure, and parents also are not willing to get them married. They are more than 90% bipolar patients are into drugs, smoking or alcohol. Our research says it is a psychological disorder and emotion imbalance, but doctors say it is a chemical imbalance. We are sure that if a person doesn't sleep for 2 or 3 days, there is a chemical imbalance which takes place. Also, if one person takes excessive alcohol, there is a chemical imbalance, but slowly it disappears. And if it is a chemical imbalance, basically psychiatrists, what do? They give chemicals. Why they are not able to balance that chemical imbalance? After 1 to 3 years of treatment, for sure it is not a chemical imbalance. It is a psychological disorder and emotion imbalance. Now this is a common disease for male and female, but more male are bipolar than female, slightly. The age group which attacks bipolar disease is 16 to 30. Until death they are disturbed, their family members are disturbed, and after the death of the parents, the life of a bipolar patient is very horrible. Parents also cannot die of a bipolar child because their anxiety will be who will take care of him after our death. Their marriage life is a failure, their working life is also a failure, but there are few instances in the world where the bipolar patients created history, but there are very few. Bipolar disease is very often seen of the ADHD patients, schizophrenia patients, hyperactive people. Their communication is very distorted, their perception is very distorted, and they are not in this real world. Their talks are all irrelevant, not to the point, and there is no communication possible with them. They are very restless and all the time ready to fight. One thing we observe, that the bipolar patient doesn't believe that he is a mental patient. He feels he is only an angry person and his anger is justified. And let me tell you why allopathy cannot help any mental illness. There are 7 layers in the body. Allopathy medicines only touches the first layer, which is the skin, the outer skin. And this disease is very deep rooted. And I am of the opinion, sometimes patients are tempted to go for homeopathy, for Ayurvedic, but our research says that none of these medicines help them. Let it be allopathy, homeopathy, Ayurvedic or anipathy. Medicine has got no role to play in any mental illness. And if the medicine is successful in suppressing the symptoms, a bigger disease will follow in some time. That means you are inviting a bigger health issues, bigger mental illness. Google research are basically research done by the pharma company, and Google is also right that there is no cure for bipolar in the medicines. All the psychiatrists rightfully do not tell the truth to the patients and their family members, but they know it, this is not curable and the patient has to keep on taking medicines. And there are multiple issues with the bipolar patients or any mental illness, and allopathy always fails. Any patient and their family, if they come to us for 10 hours, they'll be 100% convinced that this disease is curable. It takes minimum 3 months and maximum 3 years to cure this disease. The progress is seen within 10 days. 1% people are affected by the disease called bipolar disorder. When the person is in the maniac stage, he thinks he is super intelligent. When the person is in the maniac stage, he thinks he is super intelligent, Superman, and can do anything, but parents are not allowing him to do. When in a depressed state, he is so sad, so helpless, so serious, so fearful, too much tension, too much stress, and suicidal. Basically, these people are not at ease with themselves. When they are depressed, they feel they are useless, they are hopeless, life has got no meaning, parents don't love me, I am not needed, I am not wanted, and they are so insecure about money that they secretly wait, if the father dies, then I will enjoy all the properties, all the luxuries. They have total negative outlook on life. Their concentration is so bad that they have distorted perceptions or what people have told them in their life. When they are in euphoric, it is difficult for people to control them, and sometimes they have to be admitted to a hospital, and they are very often given ECT injections, which are also wrong. They do self-harm also, and very often they destroy home furnitures, home TV, mobiles, and they are in rake for some time, and the parents are helpless as to how to deal with them. Our approach in this treatment is to remove the negativity like fear, anger, sadness, seriousness, excessive thinking, negative thinking, doubts, lack of confidence, lack of trust, lack of love, overthinking, resolving family conflicts, helplessness, remove the misunderstanding in their mind, removing the bad memories from their mind, relaxing their mind, reducing their tensions, stress, teaching them positivity, teaching them the possibility, positive thinking of love, of happiness, basically making them happy and relaxed. These people don't accept life challenges and they want to run from the reality. They have unhealthy food habits, incorrect lifestyle, stressful relationship. Once again I say, this disease is 100% curable. It takes minimum 3 months and maximum 3 years to cure it, and our curing is only giving them the life knowledge, the life skills, increasing the confidence, basically making them happy and lovable. I am Dr. Kailash Mantri from Mumbai, India.